As you can see, I got it all mounted up. I'm gonna have to move my particle separator because the back of the sound bar is actually, it's not quite hitting it, but it's at a little bit of an angle. So to straighten out the sound bar, I'm gonna have to move the particle separator back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. We've got the particle separator issue sorted out. There's a good amount of space between there now, so air can still flow, because that's my air intake right there. Next, we're got to deal with the wiring. Luckily, StarknightMT made it really simple, and the only thing you have to do is find a clean spot to run this plug here, 12 volt cigarette plug. There's one located in the center console, right here. I think that is the one I'm going to use. There is also another one right here up by the cup holder, but I use that to run my tablet charger. So let's get the wires run down along the pillar here behind the seat and get it plugged in, and then we can listen to this, how good this stereo sounds. So now I've got the sound bar mounted up. I'm not going to be using the RCAs or the USB or the aux. I'm just going to be using the Bluetooth option on the speaker. So I just zip tied these wires up to the roll cage here, and then I ran my wire down, zip tied it in a few spots, down behind my seat, and now it pops out right at my center console, and we're going to plug it in for the first time here. And that plug is key on power. Boom, fires up. So with your remote here, you can turn it on and off. So right now it's on. Right there you saw it goes off. We're gonna power it back on. It lights up. There's a bunch of different lighting options. You can flip through. That's sound mode. Let's see. Change the color. Lots of different colors. And then there's settings that it'll go along with the music here. So let me pull up some music, some copyright free music, and we're gonna see how the sound system sounds. So I've got some music queued up. We're gonna look here on the remote, hit play. You can turn it up a little bit. That's full volume. Go through some of the different color options. Let's see, color. Red. You can even do a white. It'll kind of match the lights on the machine. There's also a mode that will let it go to the music. There. So it'll actually change colors with the beat of the music. Overall, this product was super easy